Welcome to another video from the Red Python channel. Have you ever wondered who might be sending you spam messages? Have you ever wondered who might be selling your email addresses to other companies that will send you spam messages? Well, this video will help you spot those cases. Google doesn't see anything after a plus sign as part of your email address. So if you're wondering what is that, let's go directly to the demo. As part of signing up, usually you need to fill some information and an email address. That's my email address. To identify the site you are signing up to, you can just easily add a plus sign before the @ sign. When the Google mail servers receive that email, they will totally ignore anything after the plus sign. But on the other hand, you will be able to identify the source of your messages and will help you avoid or unsubscribe to those sites. So when you press on the sign up here, you can go to my email addresses and see that the message was sent to this email address plus Airtable. So you can easily identify the source of your spam messages. So usually the recipient address after the plus should match the sender domain name here. But if there is a mismatch, it means that this company here is selling your email addresses.